What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. I hope you guys are all having a great day. And today we're doing episode 5, I believe, of What's in the Box. And this is actually my largest tech unboxing ever. So I hope you guys enjoy, even though it's no more than a few boxes. The catch is, though, the reason this is the largest tech unboxing I've ever done is because none of it is actually for me and none of it was actually bought by me. This is actually stuff that my uncle sent me. So again, like last video, big thanks to my uncle for sending out all this stuff. I'm going to try and make as many videos as I can with it. Also, guys, because every What's in the Box episode seems to be getting a little bit better and a little bit more expensive and a little bit larger than all the previous ones, that's going to be my goal for the next few or infinite amount of What's in the Box episodes. My goal is to try and make every single one better and larger. So right now, this definitely destroys my last What's in the Box episode. So hopefully the ones after this one can do the same. And then keep doing that forever, because then my tech unboxing videos would actually get to the scale that most tech YouTubers unboxing videos are at right now. But anyway, all I'm trying to say is that hopefully the next few will be larger than this. So guys, you may also notice, yes, some of these boxes were already opened, and that's because this is not my first time opening them. Obviously, they've been opened, but my last video was actually featuring some of these products. So if you guys do want to watch that video, it will be right up here. However, I did try to package them up as best as possible so the experience for you guys can be as good as possible. So with that, let's open some boxes. All right, I'll start with the largest one just because you guys can read what it is already. So let's just open that up. Easy product, not even from Amazon. All right, so in here, it's just my script phone. All right, that's not the best way to take it out. Let's put it over here for a second. Just get the box out of the way because that's a little inconvenient. So I can get this over here before you guys leave the video. Here we go. This is, I mean, you could already read the box, but I'm not going to spend much time on this, although it is tech, so I decided to include it. And it is pretty new. Not 100% new though, I just need more things to unbox, you know? What this is pretty much a window fan. It kind of acts like an AC unit. It just brings the cool air in from outside because my room gets super hot during the day, so at night you can cool it down really quick with this. Literally brings it down to the temperature outside in a few minutes. So it's really nice so far. And yeah, I just wanted to unbox it. It's not brand new. It is pretty cool, and technically it is tech. So I'm gonna put it away now, and let's get to the main part of the video, the actual tech you guys are probably here for. All right, another thing is that. I mean, you can also probably read that, but yeah, this was actually hiding behind all the other boxes. I guess it fell or something. So I'll just do it now because that's a small little box. So this is new, actually. This is a little Wi-Fi adapter, because my Wi-Fi adapter that I've literally had for about a year and a half without realizing anything was wrong. But basically, I'm pretty sure what it was it's not actually compatible with Windows 10, or the driver doesn't work with Windows 10. So what would happen is the Wi-Fi would literally disconnect every 20 minutes or so, and I just thought that was a normal thing, I guess, because I was not being very smart. And what I would do is just reconnect to the Wi-Fi and be like, everything's fine. But no, it was very annoying. So I finally decided to pick up a new little $25 Wi-Fi adapter that says it downloads a Windows 10 driver automatically, so I'm going to assume it works. Screw these things on. Definitely a lot better than my other Wi-Fi adapter. I also read in the box that it's perfect for Raspberry Pi. This is a little bigger than Raspberry Pi. I don't know what I was doing when I bought that old one. All right, I mean, I guess what I'm gonna do is just plug it into my PC. All right, I mean, the problem is, because it is more meant for a laptop, it does take up one of my USB slots, and in this case, it has to be a USB 3. But I'm fine with that. I mean, I only use 5 of them anyway, so it's okay if one isn't in use. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Hopefully it should be okay. All right, moving on. Also, you guys like how I put lined paper over all the labels just so you guys can't try to read them or anything. I taped these up, and the tape is coming off, especially on this box. It's off right now, so I could just rip that off. I hopefully won't have to use my terrible scissors on that box. So hopefully it should be a lot quicker of an unboxing process for that box, because I don't know if it's just me or if it just takes a long time to cut open boxes with scissors. But anyway, here we go. Let's clear a little bit of space here just so I can have room to open this. Oh, okay. Forgot what this was, but this is the camera, and it is pretty much what my video was about. Anyway, let's open this up. This is the Canon Vixia HF R82. It is a digital camera. I've already tested and everything. I know how it performs. It performs pretty well, which is good, but I'm just gonna open it up just to show you guys, because I know that's probably what you came here for. All right, we got all the upload cords, and then we got the actual camera right here. It comes in a big bag that barely even fits it, but all right, yeah, so nice little strap here. That's what it looks like. The problem is though, if you didn't watch my last video, it looks pretty bad in this setup here, although it does look really good outside. So I definitely recommend it for only $250. The link will also be in the description for this and every other product in this episode. And because they are Amazon affiliate links, it means I will receive a small kickback from anything purchased off those links, even if it's not the product the link brought you directly to. So if you guys want to directly support my channel without watching any ads, I'd recommend using those. And by the way, for everyone who has bought something off those, thank you so much, because YouTube doesn't give me much money right now, so that just chips in a little tiny bit, and I appreciate you guys who do buy things off those links. However, I am gonna put this back just because I'll need to send it back to my uncle soon anyway, so there's no point in leaving it out of the box. So I'm just gonna quickly try to put it back. There we go. That's all. Should be good, I don't know. Solid packaging though, I will say. Got a little mini HDMI to full-size HDMI cord. And we have a USB-A to mini USB for uploading photos and stuff if you don't want to use the SD card. And then we got the charging cord, everything. I mean, if you guys just want to watch my last video, you can see everything in the box without having to watch this part, which I'm sure you might want to do, but maybe not actually. So that's why I'm giving you a little feature overview right now. And then we got the battery that slots right in on the back. I mean, for $250, it is a great camera, and I would definitely recommend it if you are looking for a camera of that price. Because I don't know really about prices of DSLRs, but I do know that if you want to find a DSLR that costs $250, you're probably gonna have to look for a very long time to find one that might actually work a little bit. So let's just close this back up just to make it easier. This is like an unboxing video and an unboxing video. But let's move on to this box because it's pretty much falling apart if you can see this side. I should be able to just rip the tape off. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna use my scissors. They're just a little bit easier even in this case. Broke the tape there. I'll stick it right back on. Alright. Nice. Bubble wrap. I'm gonna ditch that though because I don't really need it. Alright, so this is pretty cool. This is a car charger, it looks like, for the battery that comes with the Canon Vixia HF-RD2. Then we also have an extra battery that claims to be 5 extra milliamps. I don't know why that is. Looks like it's not even made by Canon, so I have no idea, but that is definitely the same battery, and that's definitely the same charger, just for the car, so you can charge your battery in the car if you want. Nice, a little SD card, although, yeah, there's nothing in it right now because it's in the camera. Forgot about that. SD card, nice, right? 64 gigabytes, up to 170 megabytes per second. Pretty average SD card if you ask me. And then here's the SD card reader. I guess I could take this out of the box instead of just showing you guys. All right, then we got, if I can get it out, this is the SD card reader. It looks pretty good. I mean, it feels solid even though it's just plastic. It also supports micro SD and SD. So if you want to upload something from a micro SD card, like your drone or something like that, that will work for uploading to the computer, which is pretty nice. All right, so this looks like, I actually have not opened this at all. I've barely even looked at it, but this is a Sensei optics care and cleaning kit. So I'm assuming this is for the lens. I mean, maybe you could also use it for like the touchscreen on the camera, but I'm assuming this is probably for the lens. Looks like there's a little carry bag and then just some typical cleaning stuff. So I guess I'll open this up because I actually haven't yet, and that is like a true unboxing. Yeah, so it comes with the cleaning fluid. Nice, that's what I would assume. Comes with this thing. Trust me, I don't know much about cameras, so this looks like a brush. Okay, that's what it looked like to me at first. Also this little one, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to touch that. I think it's just a brush, but I'll put the cover back on because I know nothing about cameras. And then we got a bigger brush. They almost look like makeup brushes, but I guess they're good for cleaning. Then you got a little dust blower squeezer thing. That's what I'm assuming it is. I have no idea. Then of course you also got the lens cleaning tissue. I'm assuming that's not it. I'm assuming this is it, but Yeah, that looks really nice and soft. Looks like it'll definitely clean. So I'll just put everything back, rebox it quickly. I guess what you would call this video is an unboxing and a reboxing. So we got a receipt in there, so I don't need any of that. And then we also, this is another thing I haven't really touched at all, but this is a really nice camera bag. Pretty small, so it'll definitely fit the Canon camera. You wouldn't want to get like a massive one for that tiny little digital camera. You also got a strap, nice little carry strap in there that's attached because I guess they don't want you to use it, but it's in there. Also got a nice little divider, nice and squishy in there, and a nice... That was not satisfying at all. So I'm going to take a lot of points off on the buckle because it was really not satisfying at all, but other than that, pretty nice Adventura camera bag. Again, I'm assuming this is probably like the strangest unboxing video you guys have ever watched, because you get to watch me put it back in the box as well. Alright, big box or small box first? This one's from Amazon. Let's do Amazon last, because Amazon Prime is just so cool. And then if we reach all the way in... I'm kidding. Right here. Anyway, I haven't opened this up either, and I don't know if I want to right now, but I guess I will, because that's literally the point of an unboxing episode, and I haven't done much of that in this unboxing episode. So this is the Magnus Pv 3310G tripod. Looks like it is a 53-inch tripod, which is not bad at all. I think this specific tripod is only like $30 or something on B&H, which is actually really good because B&H sells a lot of super high-end camera gear. Looks nice, smells a little bit weird, but I guess that's to be expected. I think it'll be a good tripod. Feels like metal, so that's also nice. All right, this is a nice little tripod. However, time to put it away. I like the little case too. Like even a tripod this cheap is coming with a case, which I thought was just something my tripod would come with because mine was like $80 or something. But I was not expecting this, and it kind of didn't blow me away. But it was a lot better than I expected, especially for the price of $30 or whatever it is. That is a really nice tripod. And moving on to the last box. This has actually been a longer What's in the Box episode than I thought it would be, which is really good. I just worry if I had a lot of boxes, like TechSource or your average consumer level amount of boxes, what, like 20, 30 every What's in the Box episode, I feel like that episode would take about an hour to film. Alright, so first things, looks like we have a little foam windscreen, so that's really nice. This looks like another windscreen, just like a square one. Well, inside... Alright, no, I guess it's not a square windscreen. That must not be a windscreen then, because I have no idea what this is. I mean, I guess I'll just put it back. Alright, and for the last thing, we have the Rode Reporter Omnidirectional interview microphone, which is nice. I think my uncle got this for filming sporting events. I think I might do a mic comparison video with this, so hopefully that should be fun. Looks like we got a super nice Rode sticker, and this is nice because I have another Rode microphone. I'm using it right now. That's why I couldn't find it, but I do have another Rode microphone, so I could steal this sticker, but no, I'm gonna keep it in there in case he wants it. I am assuming the microphone is under here. If not, it's not in the box. Yeah, here we go. Nice. This microphone feels really good, but it smells really weird. We also have this super nice Rode pouch, super nice leather pouch. That's probably what smells weird. Yeah, it's the pouch that smells pretty bad. I'll probably just put it back because I really know nothing about audio or filming gear, as you can probably tell by this entire video. So that is a really nice microphone, and I think it would be a really good microphone for recordings. So we're gonna put that back in the box now, because this is a unboxing and reboxing episode. All right, great, that looks good. I think we're pretty much done. So let's get all that stuff out of the way. You guys can probably see that. All right, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. And while it is fun to do these unboxing and I guess reboxing types of videos, you need two things. You need a lot of money or a lot of subscribers, and those are two things I can't say I have. So I wish I could do them more, and while they're fun, they're just not really doable often. But I definitely would like to do a lot more of these videos. So if you guys want me to do a lot more of these videos, just make sure you subscribe and drop a like down below if you guys did enjoy this video, as I am trying to hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And I know it sounds like a lot because I'm not even at 2,000, but trust me guys, I think we can do it. If you guys do have any comments or concerns or suggestions, just make sure you guys comment them down below, because I still do respond to every single comment. So anything you guys want to tell me, I will respond to it. And with that, guys, big thanks to my uncle for sending out all this stuff over here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.